how to close Marcus Goldman Sachs account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to close your Marcus Goldman Sachs account. So in order to close your account, you have to follow the steps. Now you can close your account by emailing at contactmarcus.uk@gs.com. From this email address, you can use to log into your Marcus account, and you do not include any sensitive information in your email such as account number, password or PIN. Now this is important to protect the security of your account. So all you have to do is open up your new tab and then go to the Gmail or go to mail.gmail.com. That's going to take you to the home page, or use the same email address that you've been using and click the compose button. And then over here you have to go ahead and type in the email address, that is marcusuk@gs. So when you type in the address now, as per the subject, you can go ahead and type in close my Marcus Go Slash account, and go ahead and mention in all of this information and reason for deleting your account, and click the send button, and they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours and your account should be deleted if you have a valid reason. So that is how you can close your Marcus Goldman Sachs account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.